A painter's job is much more than applying color to walls. It's about precision, patience, technique, and creativity. During an interview for a painter position, employers look for more than just painting experience. They evaluate your attention to detail, understanding of materials, safety awareness, and ability to meet deadlines while maintaining quality standards. Whether you're applying for a residential, commercial, or industrial painter role, knowing how to answer the right questions can set you apart. In this video, we'll go through the most common painter interview questions, sample answers, and preparation tips to help you present yourself confidently and professionally in any painting job interview. Understanding the role of a painter. A painter is responsible for preparing surfaces, mixing paints, applying finishes, and ensuring smooth and durable results. The role demands technical skill, good color sense, and a keen eye for detail. Painters often work with various materials, such as wood, metal, or concrete, and must know how to handle brushes, rollers, and spray equipment safely and efficiently. Whether working independently or as part of a team, painters play an essential role in maintaining the aesthetic appeal and protection of buildings, furniture, and structures. During interviews, employers assess your craftsmanship, safety practices, and customer service attitude to determine if you fit their quality standards and work culture. Question 1. Can you tell us about your painting experience? Here's how you can answer. I have worked as a professional painter for X years, handling residential and commercial projects. My work includes surface preparation, color matching, applying different paint finishes, and ensuring a clean and precise job. I take pride in my attention to detail and ability to complete projects on time without compromising quality. Tip: mention the types of projects you've handled, residential, industrial, or decorative, and emphasize your experience with different paint types and tools. Question 2. What steps do you take to prepare a surface before painting? Here's how you can answer. Before painting, I clean the surface thoroughly, remove dust or grease, fill holes or cracks with putty, and sand the area to ensure a smooth finish. I also apply primer when necessary to make sure the paint adheres properly and the color remains consistent. Tip: employers value painters who understand the importance of preparation. It ensures quality and durability. Question 3. How do you ensure your work meets high-quality standards? Here's how you can answer. I always inspect my work carefully during and after painting. I make sure the surface is even, the color is uniform, and there are no drips or brush marks. I also communicate with clients to confirm that the final result meets their expectations before finishing a project. Tip: highlight your commitment to quality control and customer satisfaction. It shows professionalism. Question 4. What types of paint and finishes are you familiar with? Here's how you can answer. I have experience using water-based, oil-based, enamel, and latex paints. I'm also skilled with different finishes like matte, satin, gloss, and semi-gloss. Depending on the surface and environment, I select the most suitable type of paint for durability and appearance. Tip: showing knowledge of various paint types and applications reflects your technical expertise. Question 5. How do you ensure safety while painting? Here's how you can answer. I always wear protective gear, including masks, gloves, and goggles, especially when working with chemicals or spray paints. I make sure the area is well ventilated and that ladders and scaffolds are secure. Safety comes first because it protects me and ensures a professional work environment. Tip: safety awareness is critical. Employers want painters who prevent accidents and follow proper procedures. Question 6. How do you handle working in tight schedules or under pressure? Here's how you can answer. I plan my work efficiently by breaking the project into stages: surface preparation, priming, painting, and finishing. I stay organized, work systematically, and maintain focus. Even under tight deadlines, I make sure not to rush the quality of my work. Tip: emphasize time management and efficiency. Both are essential for meeting project timelines. Question 7. What tools and equipment do you commonly use? Here's how you can answer. I frequently use brushes, rollers, paint sprayers, sanders, scrapers, and ladders. I also maintain my tools regularly to ensure smooth performance. Using the right equipment for each task helps me deliver a professional and consistent finish. Tip: Mention your ability to handle both traditional and modern tools, showing adaptability. Question 8. Can you describe a challenging project and how you managed it? Here's how you can answer. I once worked on a commercial project that required completing several large walls within a limited time frame. The weather was humid, which affected drying times. I managed the situation by using quick-drying paints, coordinating with my team efficiently, and adjusting work hours to cooler parts of the day. We finished on time without compromising quality. Tip: employers appreciate examples that show problem-solving skills and commitment. Question 9. How do you deal with clients who are not satisfied with your work? Here's how you can answer. I believe in open communication. If a client is unsatisfied, I listen carefully to their concerns, identify the issue, and make necessary corrections promptly. My goal is always to ensure the client is happy with the final result. Tip: show that you value customer satisfaction and handle feedback positively. Question 10. How do you handle working in different environments or weather conditions? Here's how you can answer. I've worked both indoors and outdoors, so I'm used to adjusting my approach based on conditions. For outdoor projects, I check weather forecasts to avoid rain or humidity. For indoor projects, I ensure proper ventilation and lighting for accuracy and safety. Tip: adaptability and awareness of environmental factors are signs of a professional painter. Question 11. What do you enjoy most about painting? Here's how you can answer. I enjoy the satisfaction of transforming a dull surface into something fresh and vibrant. Painting allows me to use both creativity and precision, and seeing the client's happiness after a project is completed is the best part of the job. Tip: let your passion for the craft show. It helps employers see you as motivated and dedicated. Question 12. Why should we hire you as our painter? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I bring experience, reliability, and attention to detail. I take pride in delivering high-quality results, maintaining safety standards, and ensuring client satisfaction. My work ethic and consistency make me a dependable member of any painting team. Tip: summarize your strengths, experience, reliability, and dedication, and link them to the employer's needs. Preparing for a painter interview. Before attending your painter interview, make sure you research the company or project type, residential, industrial, or commercial. Review your portfolio if you have one, and be ready to describe past projects with measurable outcomes. Dress neatly, even if it's an informal interview, as it reflects your professionalism. Also, be prepared to discuss the types of paints, tools, and safety procedures you follow. Some employers may ask technical questions or request a short practical test, such as showing your brush or rolling technique on a sample wall. Confidence, calmness, and clarity will help you stand out. Final thoughts. Painter interviews are an opportunity to showcase not just your skills, but your dedication to craftsmanship and quality. Employers want to see that you take pride in your work, follow safety protocols, and communicate well with clients and teammates. By practicing your answers, demonstrating technical knowledge, and showing enthusiasm for your trade, you can create a strong impression. A painter's work reflects patience, precision, and artistry, qualities that speak louder than words when presented with confidence and professionalism.